I was part of the baking and pastry program last year, and I really enjoyed getting to know the kitchen space, and I wanted to learn more about the management side and interacting with guests and the public.
Last year I was in the baking program, and because business management is something that I plan to do in the future, I thought it would be a really good opportunity. The program prepares us to manage a whole restaurant, as in keeping inventory and keeping track of everything that the kitchen and the dining room has. And we learn how to make a menu and how to price it out.
We are doing event planning, so we get a budget, and then from that we plan venues, catering, entertainment, all the things that go into events.
In this program, you do get to explore with making different kinds of food items to potentially put on menus. You get to make drinks. We do a lot of practicing with espresso machines for our cafe.
We have 2 other programs from the school come in and have a lunch, and we practice serving them and we teach them the basic rules of etiquette. Anyone who really wants to get to know the more management side of things, like managing servers for dinners or managing tickets, learning how to cost all of our recipes. Also, if you want to learn how to communicate with people better, it's a really good program.
Even though this program is part of the culinary, it can really help you with any business.